Hey guys, so what we got here today is a new ceiling fan that I got from my friend's sister's house. It is a 42-inch Canarm Mystic in white and brass. I'm really glad I got one because these are huge childhood fans for me. I remember seeing them a lot at Canadian Tire on display and many other places, so I'm really glad I got one. This one is dated, you can see the date here. It says 14th, but it's written, and then 0501, so it's from 2001. So, yeah. Has a down rod. Down rod's shaky. I'm going to have to tighten the down rod before putting this up. There are the blades, and there's the light. It came with a mounting bracket in it, and the mounting bracket holds the ball socket. So, yeah. So, I'll be able to hang this Mystic up on this box here and not have to floor test it. So, yeah. This came out of the bedroom of the house. There's two other bedrooms with these same fans, these white and brass Mystics. And the kitchen has a Canarm Maria. So I'll be getting those fans in a few months. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So anyways, wanted to show you guys this. Oh yeah, also forgot to mention, I am a fan of it. YouTube channel. He has two black Mystics in his living room. I think those are older ones with the reverse pull chain. This one has a reverse switch, not a pull chain. I think they were from the 90s. The ones had reverse pull chains. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And stay tuned for a video of this fan when it's up on the ceiling and running and being tested. So, bye.